Welcome back to Millsway YouTube channel. Glad you're here with me today. No, it's not Christmas. It's not even Halloween yet. But anybody that knows me and Darlene, we love Christmas. So we got the Christmas tree up. We're festive. So I might as well wear a Santa hat. Because today I'm talking about a subject that'll probably put you to sleep. But hopefully you won't fall asleep and you'll watch the whole entire video. I want to help you save money on insurance. I want to tell you what Darlene and myself do to save money on insurance, but make sure we are protected, that we have enough money to cover us in case something would happen. You know, if you watch TV nowadays, there's so many personal injury lawyer commercials on. Seems like everybody's suing everybody. Everybody's sue happy. So we want to make sure that our assets won't be taken away from us. We try to teach our boys lessons. We have family learning every week. And one of the areas of the Mills Way, the financial freedom rules, is talking about insurance protection. Making sure you're protected in case something would happen. But also letting them know ways to save on insurance so they have more money to pay down debt if they have debt, which hopefully they live debt-free their whole lives. Hopefully if they're debt-free, but then they can make sure their emergency fund's funded. If that's funded, then they can invest and invest and invest so they can retire early if they choose to. But it's up to them to take action and do it. So here are some ways that Darlene and myself save on insurance. Now, in no way I'm giving you any advice for your situation. This is entertainment only. Seek out a professional for your situation. There's a lot of good professional insurance agents. If you don't like the one you're talking with, go to another company. One of the ways that we save on insurance, we get many quotes. There's a lot of companies out there, get many quotes, but when you get quotes, compare apples to apples. Make sure the coverage you're paying for, the protection you're paying for, is the same that they're paying for. For instance, if you have roadside assistance on your bill, and they're not quoting you that, make sure they quote it to you. Roadside assistance is another area you could save money on. If you have AAA insurance currently, check out the price for roadside assistance through the insurance company. We found 4 or 5 years ago that we're saving money because it's cheaper to go through our insurance company than AAA. So we didn't see the benefit of AAA anymore. We had dropped them. The boys, if they maintain a 3.25 grade point average, hey, we save money. Choices of consequences to them if they don't achieve a 3.25 grade point average and get that good grade discount. They may have to pay the difference for the higher insurance. Some insurance companies offer a discount if you put a chip on your car for 6 months and they can track how hard you brake, how fast you accelerate, do you swerve, do you maintain the speed. So ask the insurance companies, hey, is there any discounts I can get for that? Hey, if I take a defensive driver's class, how much can I save? Ask questions. Compare companies, compare policies. Life insurance. The way we save there is we go with term insurance. Now when you buy life insurance, you buy it for your loved ones. We have a term life insurance policy on Darlene to cover her income since she's the main breadwinner in our house currently. We have term insurance to get us through Logan and Seth getting out of college, getting out on their own, and getting Darlene to retirement age of around 65. Now, for our funerals, we're not worried about, because of our situation, we can pay for our funerals real easily. we're going to be cremated, both of us, and have at low cost funerals. That's our situation. Yours could be different, I know. So other ways is, we talked about the boys, is if you're car shopping and there's many different models that you're narrowing it down to, call the insurance company. Ask them what insurance is for each individual make and model. That may be a point where if you're going to save $200 or $100 every 6 months on a certain car versus another, might be worth switching. We take it a step farther and even call our mechanic and see which one they suggest that might have lower repairs or lower repair costs. More ways to save money. Disability insurance is another area that we really believe in. And I know a guy, when I lived in a town, that fell off a roof, got hurt, couldn't work for 6-7 months. His company's short-term and long-term didn't cover him very long. He ran up tons of debt, and it took him a long time to get out of that hole. The medical bills, the being out of work, just really set him and his family behind. So disability insurance normally covers 60-75% of your income if you're injured. So check into disability insurance, possibly if it's something that interests you. But it's a good investment. Umbrella insurance, if you have a lot of assets, like we believe in umbrella insurance because we have more assets than the car insurance and the homeowner's policy goes up to. So we get umbrella policy to help cover that extra amount just in case some freak thing happened. Umbrella policies normally aren't too much, depending on where you live and your situation and how much you need. So that's another area, a good area. Our insurance costs, for instance, are projected. I know insurance goes up every year. Currently it's $6,415 next year. If our home expenses come in at $50,000, that's 12.83% expense for just insurance. That's why I'm doing this video, people. You can save money on insurance. Give you more money to get out of debt or build your emergency fund or fund your retirement so you can retire early. If we back out Logan, it's still 8.83% expense. That's big. So take a look. It might be worth, if you can free up $50 a month, $100 a month, that can go a long way to getting debt free, to paying off your mortgage. So something to think about. But remember, seek out a professional for advice for your situation. I want to reiterate, get many quotes. You can't get enough quotes. And you may take a look at, if you do have an emergency fund like we do, get those higher deductibles. It may save you enough money, or maybe it won't be enough to really make a difference for you. If you feel happier, you got to do what's best in your situation. I'm just telling you what we do in our situation. Our goals is the boys live debt free. They save 25% to 50% of everything they make. They invest it. They pay cash for a house. They have an emergency funded. They have no student loans. They never co-sign on any loans. They're able to retire early if they choose to. They create many forms of passive income. We like the Robert Kiyosaki quadrant, and we like to be on the right side of that, not the left side. And I can explain that more in the future. If you got questions or comments, leave them below or email me at bruce@millsway.com. If you'd like to be on a podcast in the future, email me at bruce@millsway.com. If you like my videos, hit the like button and subscribe so you get to see the new exciting updates that I present on YouTube. If you want to support my YouTube channel, podcast, my blog, feel free to at paypal.me/millsway or at millsway.com or at live4.club. So until we talk again, have a great day.